Risk and Return, Part 1. Risk is the flip side of the return, or the cost side of the benefit. As the adage goes, there can be no gain without pain. The analogy is self-explanatory. The higher the risk, the higher the return, or ROI. So we will explore the questions of how do we assess or measure the risk, and how do we minimize and take advantage of it for our objective of maximizing the return. In this module, you will first learn to estimate the expected return and then to calculate the risk as the variance of the return's distribution. Then the probabilities of target return range will be computed with statistical properties of the normal distribution. Finally, the overarching concept of output-input ratio as a measure of efficiency will be discussed as the tool to achieve the best mileage on investing. That is to say, the return-risk ratio. Upon successful completion of this module, you'll be able to calculate the expected return and the risk of individual assets as well as portfolio, and solve for the optimal weights for asset allocation to construct a portfolio with maximum return for the given risk level, or a portfolio with minimum risk for the given target return.